Hey YouTube, Lost Angel 25, Ninja Tank 25, your preference of course, coming again with day 6. Now I know I said yesterday was video numbers, it was day number 5, but now this is video number 5, so I feel a little better about saying I've made it 5 days. But today, in contrast to the kind of a downer mood we had yesterday, I wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite experiences. So, back when I was in high school, we didn't get a senior trip. Now, I know some people may not know what I'm talking about. A lot of times, the senior class of a high school gets to go on this awesome trip out of town. And we didn't get that because some of my classmates decided to pull a senior prank, which, if my memory serves correctly, involved letting loose a lot of hamsters or some kind of small rodent all around the first floor of the school. So we got our senior trip canceled. But because I was also a band geek, first chair, trombone, we went on a band trip. And it's my one and only time that I've been to San Antonio, Texas. Now, that entire trip, I counted it as my senior trip because it was just that much fun. When we stayed at the hotel, I got to stay with some of my best friends, a few of which I still talk to this day. And we got to go to Six Flags and SeaWorld. I was much more excited about Six Flags because of all the things that happened there. And just to show my age a little bit, when we went there, Nintendo had a booth advertising the Nintendo Revolution, which came to be known as the Nintendo Wii a little later. So I'm there with one of my friends, and WarioWare is one of the first games that came out. So we're all playing, we're doing the commands on the screen, lift, move this way, move that way, and one of the mini games had to do with like letting a yo-yo down or dropping something. I don't recall which, but it said drop because WarioWare games just have that little one-word description or 2 words, and my friend literally drops this Revolution controller, Wiimote, whatever you want to call it, and me and my friends literally stop what we're doing and run out of the tents, and him included, and we are dying of laughter the entire time because we didn't expect him to actually drop the thing. And a few hours later, we ended up at this arcade. Honestly, it was just a blast. I have pictures, of course, not in a digital format. So if I ever come across those, I'll be sure to include them on a later video. But I definitely wanted to go a bit, like I said, go a bit lighter. And before you ask, it was a band trip, so we did have to compete. And one of my friends, the one that I roomed with, forgot his dress shirt. We were all told to pack a white button-down standard dress shirt and slacks. And he forgot his dress shirt. But fortunately for him, he was also a low brass player like myself. And he got to sit in the back. He just had to wear a white t-shirt so he wouldn't stand out. But the performance itself went amazing. We got a perfect score. We didn't necessarily win, but we were definitely given an honorable mention at the award ceremony on the final day, which was at Six Flags. And when we got back home, I'm still on my high from how awesome that trip was. And the principal announces, our Central High band came in first, got a perfect score of their national competition, and silence. And I was like, oh yeah, no one here gives a damn. Anyway, besides that, it was honestly one of the better times I had in high school. I definitely have a few more stories like that. So if I know not too many people are watching at this point because I'm very new, I'm still starting out. But if any of you guys share this video, or if they have any ideas of things they want to hear, maybe a story from when I was in high school, or some college stories or anything like that, please drop a comment. I am more than willing to tell you guys pretty much anything. I'm willing to tell you guys I'm getting evicted. So at this point, I'm almost an open book. So this has been really fun. Like I said, you can see the smile on my face. I'm really enjoying this 6 days in. And honestly, I can see myself doing this, maybe not daily after August, because I feel a little bad putting up videos that are only maybe 1 or 2 minutes. But after that, I can definitely see myself continuing to do this. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and end this one. You guys stay awesome, and I will see you in the next video.